Good morning, judges, teachers, parents, and all my beloved friends. My name is David. I'm 11 years old. I'm from level K2 at Khmer Intellectual Academy. Today, I'm going to tell you a story. It's Dick and the Bird. On a hot summer day, a little ant went down to the river for some water. Of wind blew him into the river. Help! Help! Someone please help! Nearby a reciting bird in a tree. He heard Dick and screaming for help and went to see what was going on. Chip, 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 chip. Oh no! A little ant! I'm going to throw you a leaf. Get on top of it, okay? Sing to the leaf. Dick and was safe into the land again. I'm safe. Thank you so much. I will never forget what you did for me. Then he saw a hunter aiming his bow and arrow at his new bird friends. It's a hunter, friend! Watch out! Quick! Fly away, friend, fly away! The birds still had no clue as to what was going on. The little ant bit the hunter foot. Ouch! 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 The screaming starting the bird. He saw a hunter and quickly fly away. Chip, 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 chip. Thank you, ant. You saved my life and you saved my mind. Thank you so much. So the morality of this story is one good turn deserves another. Thank you.